Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Etsy listing tools with AI descriptions step by step clearly. First, navigate to your Etsy seller dashboard. Log into your Etsy account if you haven't already. Click on the Shop Manager located on the left side of the screen. From the Shop Manager, select Listings. Choose to create a new listing by clicking on the Add a Listing button. Now, you will see various fields for your listing details. Locate the title field at the top of the form. This is where you will enter your product title. Next, proceed to the description field. Here, you will enter your product description. To utilize AI for descriptions, choose an AI writing tool that fits your needs. Open the AI writing tool in a new tab or window. Input basic details about your product into the AI interface. This may include material, size, and any unique features. Generate the description using the AI tool. Review the generated text to ensure it aligns with your brand voice. Make any necessary edits for clarity or personalization. Copy the final version of the description. Return to your Etsy tab and paste the description into the description field. Now, move on to the next section, where you'll add relevant tags. Ensure your tags are closely related to your product. This will help improve your visibility in search results. Then, upload high-quality images of your product. Use multiple angles and showcase any important details. Next, set your pricing based on your market research. You want to be competitive but also reflect the value of your work. Review your shipping settings to ensure they are accurate. You can choose to offer free shipping to attract more buyers. Once all fields are complete, preview your listing to check for errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.